role of gamification is super important because it's about, as Rajesh says, first of all, it's fun, and it should be fun. It's about engaging. It's about trying to recognize and reward people as well for doing training. Training should be fun. That to me is very, very important. So, I'd like to give two examples. My current one, which, I do with yourself, which is, something we've called, which is Quizmaster. And the key to any gamification program is the cliche of KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And that's what it should be. And so every week we do 5 questions, multiple choice on a particular product. We've got these products that are out in the markets, and we want retail store staff and promoters to be confident to understand the key selling points so that they think about us as part of the purchase consideration. So there's multiple choice. You get 5 questions each week. Communication is absolutely key here. And you get points. So if you get 5 out of 5, you get certain points, 4, 3, etc. And by the end of the month, how many get points, we'll then see who actually wins. And there are e-vouchers on to play. And we do it from a regional perspective. We have different regions. And so there's 10 winners a month. And it's very simple. It's just points based on how many you answer per week on the questions. But we also add a little bit extra, which is we want surveys. This is feedback. We want to give these guys a voice. So as part of that, we also do a monthly survey, and they get points for completing that as well. But it's a bit of fun, and they see a leaderboard. They see where they are, and they're competitive. All retail store staff globally are competitive. My only other example is when I was back at a previous company. The other elements we can do with gamification is that I did something like a treasure hunt. And again, it was question based, where you would do these 5 questions, you get a code, if you got 4 or 5 out of 5, and then you'd go to an island and dig. And there was prizes, there was e-vouchers, not massive coffee vouchers, maybe the odd speaker, etc. And you would either get a prize or you get sand, and then you might just get sand, but there was that opportunity. In the current state, what we're doing now, I've seen a 20% increase. So we started this year, we've seen a 20% increase in usage, and we've seen about a 25% increase in people with their product knowledge. So it's a really powerful tool for us to drive that engagement, drive weekly communication, so people that will continually coming back, and also rewarding people for doing, simple quizzes, training that they can see, well, I have an opportunity to actually win something in return.
I like, when we talked about Quizmaster, right? And I sort of see that as a very interesting program because you're doing it on a global scale across so many countries,
19,
right?
Yeah.
19 countries, and you have different flavors of those with products which are slightly tuned for that country, and having those set of questions which keep coming every week for people to just answer, and people seem to be answering them, and they seem to be improving their knowledge. So that's amazing. So that's cool.
I think the data we get as well is important because we have a KPI. So we want people to score around about 70-75%. And so we can see the countries that are doing very, very well, that are really achieving high, like Pakistan, Egypt, Nigeria. But there's other countries that are below that mark. And so we're working with those countries to try and improve the score so that they improve the knowledge. So again, the data behind the gamification is actually really important because it helps us, I think, as I said, improve and get people more confident in our products because we want them to score well so they understand our key selling points.
Cool. Excellent.